Hello guys, thank you for watching my video. This is my first video. I am a little excited. I will recap this week trades, my weekly recap. I will show you everything transparent, seriously, my weaknesses, my strength, everything. It's reported and documented in tradingprocess.com. Yeah, I will please subscribe, follow me. I will really appreciate if you will support me on this way. But let's jump to my trading journaling. Here we can see I am in the platform tradingprocess.com. Here my dashboard. We are seeing, first of all, let me check. I am right. Yes. My weekly date range. Today is 22 March 2025. We have Saturday, and 30 p.m. Switzerland time, and yeah, let's rock. You can see here my net P&L was $1,035. My average win-lose was more than 2. We can see here the trade win in percent. The hit rate is 57%. That's so funny. That's really great, because if I am seeing this value 57% of all my trades, and with 57% I am reaching $1,000. I am closing the week with profit. And what is the message here is how important risk management it is. Because risk management, if you are keeping your rules, if you are keeping your risk reward ration, then this kind of values, they are normal. And risk management is so important. For me, is it the important for all of all, more important than trading psychology, more important than the age. Because if your risk reward is bad, then you will struggle and move to psychology part. That's why we can see here how important the risk management is. The profit factor 2.86, day wins 50-50. It means I had 2 win trade days, positive days, 1 break even days, and 1 negative days, lose trade days. We can see here my account balance. The Monday was a minus trade. After that, I correct my account, and then it goes really in hill to way, like a price action, in hill to way up. Here, the Monday was minus 140. I closed the day with $140. I don't remember. I make 2 or 1 trades. We can check later. Here, I make 1 good trade. I close my session. Wednesday, I didn't trade because of the important news. I'm trying to not to trade in important news like FOMC, non-farm payroll, CIP, like this. And there are around 5 or 6 really important news days, and news days I am trying to stay out of the market. I'm investing my time in trading process or to my family. Here we are seeing the score, but for the score I need a little more data. Here they are the recently closed position for this week. We have, I realized Monday only 1 negative trade, and my risk was 130, initial target was 230, and didn't work. It's okay, it's fine. It's a part of this game, of this work. And we can see here what I traded. This screenshots, it's make it automatically from this. I'm using Atas platform. It's make it recorded automatically from the screen. After that, it's imported also automatically. I am not making any screenshots or something else. What I'm doing is I'm making, if I am inside of the trades, extra for me as a bonus, some screenshots for documenting. And also I'm sharing with my mentor and we can see why I entered these trades. I am sharing here, and my mentor can see what I did, why I did. He can follow it, and everything is documented. My playbook is here, range setup one, my mistakes. I didn't document, I wrote it here, but I'm normally documenting in every trade. You can see in German, it's all documented. Here, let's see, we have here some other charts. I was this week mostly in the short direction. In the total, I executed 7 trades. More than 50% was short trades, and the 40% was long trades. Here we are seeing Monday only one trade, and it was a loss trade. Tuesday was one trade, a win trade. Wednesday I didn't trade, and Thursday one lose trade, one win trade, and yesterday I break my rule. I break my rule, and that's hurting me a little. I must come back. That's why I'm now researching. My rule is trading maximum or executing 2 trades, even if both is losses or both they are wins, but maximum I am trading 2 trades. But yesterday I traded 3 trades because I argument the $12 was a break-even trade, this one. That's why I continue and want execute one trade, but it's a rule breaking, and that's why I must pay attention. Here, we are seeing which times by hours my performance was active, mostly in the morning in European time, because I am trading 6 markets: oil future, gold future, DAX, Bund, S&P, and Nasdaq future. That's why gold future, oil future, Bund, and German DAX future you can trade those in the morning. That's why I have all the time one screen, catching, following. If there is some opportunities, then I am executing. I have some rules, and yeah, we can see here in my setups which setup was successful. This week was really the trend setup wins the awards of my setups. The all other makes minus trades, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. In the end, is the net profit the importance? But so I know where now or which setups are working and where is my strength sides and also my weakness sides. So, okay, it means I must train trend setup 2, range setup 2, range setup 1. Where was my fails, my wrongs? I must go deeper. What I did wrong. I did it already. I also wrote it and I sent to my mentor. He checked already. That's why this is really important to have these reports, to have this data, to know where you are now. Yeah, guys, a little recap from this week. I'm happy. Even I make some wrongs or I had some fails, wrongs in the executing. This is all okay. I will record my way as of my journey to being a full-time trader, and I will really appreciate if you will support me on this way, if you will like, comment. You know that this algorithm is working, so I need support. If you will support, I will record, I will show more, I will be motivated. I will really appreciate if you will watch to the end. If you have any comments, if you have any question, I am here. I have one good news. We begin, of course, I am also still developing with my developing team the trading process. This is the refactoring side. This is now actually the actual trading process page, and here we are seeing the redesign. It will publish around in few weeks, and it will look so, and I love it. I love the design, the modern, the dynamic, and it will be great. And yeah, guys, only a little show up what I'm doing, what I'm using, who I am. I am here, and I will really appreciate if you will support me, and see you next week in the weekly recap.